The probability of occurrence of an event is very simple idea. The denominator is a superset. Total number of possibilities, number of trials, or overall number of outcomes. I'm going to keep it very simple. So if you roll a die, then there are 6 outcomes possible. The denominator will be 6. If you toss a coin, 2 outcomes possible. Denominator will be 2. If you pick a natural number from 1 to 100, 100 possibilities. Denominator will be 100. Numerator, number of ways of event happening. Whatever event you define. So if you roll a die and you want to know the probability of the number being an even number, denominator is 6. Numerator, even numbers 2, 4 and 6, 3 by 6. Right? Now let's look at the choices. Total number of trials by number of trials in which the event occurred. The answer should be the opposite of this, or the reciprocal of this. Number of trials in which the event occurred divided by total number of trials. So this is wrong. Number of trials in which the event occurred divided by total number of trials minus number of trials in which the event. Why did you want to subtract this? We don't want to subtract this. That is part of the superset. This is also wrong. Total number of trials minus number of trials in which event occurred by number of trials in which event. This is wrong on multiple levels. The denominator is wrong. Just involving sum total and subtracting. Number of trials in which event occurred by total number of trials. Wonderful. Very straightforward. Event outcomes by overall outcomes. Number of outcomes in which event occurs or you define as an event divided by total number of outcomes.